Negotiators worked feverishly on Friday to renew the pause in fighting between Israel and Hamas in Gaza as a senior Israeli official reiterated plans to resume the war unless the Palestinian militant group agreed to release more hostages. After two last-minute extensions, the enemies marked on Thursday the seventh day of a Qatari-mediated truce with the exchange of 8 hostages and 30 Palestinian prisoners, as well as the infusion of more humanitarian aid into the shattered Gaza Strip. Egyptian and Qatari mediators who succeeded in achieving the earlier deals were working to negotiate a further truce of 2 days, Egypt's official state media agency said. Mark Regev, an advisor to Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, said that Israel was open to continuing the ceasefire if Hamas committed to further hostage releases. Israel had previously set the release of 10 hostages a day as the minimum it would accept to pause its assault. "We are ready for all possibilities. Without that, we are going back to combat," Regev said. Before the prior truce was due to expire early on Thursday, Hamas and its ally, the armed wing of Palestinian Islamic Jihad, put their fighters on alert for a resumption of hostilities. Israel has sworn to annihilate Hamas, which rules Gaza, in response to the October 7 rampage by the militant group, when Israel said that gunmen killed 1,200 people and took 240 hostages. Israel retaliated with intense bombardment and a ground invasion. Palestinian health authorities, deemed reliable by the UN, said that more than 15,000 Gazans have been confirmed killed. When the ceasefire first came into effect a week ago, Israel was preparing to turn the focus of its operation to southern Gaza after its relentless 7-week assault to the north. Mediators faced a daunting challenge on Friday in achieving another truce extension as the obstacles may be greater. With few Israeli women and children left in captivity, lengthening the truce could require setting new terms for Hamas to release Israeli men, including soldiers. The militant group could in turn seek to have Palestinian male prisoners handed over. So far, 3 Palestinian prisoners have been freed for each Israeli hostage. Thursday's releases brought the total freed during the truce to 105 hostages and 240 Palestinian prisoners.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.